Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about unless realism in videos with Hotshot AI Generator. And right here, this is going to be the landing page or website of Hotshot. Now, what do I mean by Hotshot? So basically, it's going to be a generation for stock images, videos, for you to work with your videos and then use them on your editing platforms. These are just few of the best or really awesome generated videos inside Hotshot. These are going to be the prompt right here. Take note, this is a close-up eyes, a beautiful woman with braids, and this is going to be the prompt. Another example are these two really cute corgis. One more thing right here, this guy right there. Now you'll notice about something on each of the video. There are some movements or camera motion or some specific prompts on each one of them. Because on this video, we're going to tackle most of them, especially this right here. This is going to be camera pan, right? And then this right here, this is going to be some movements and some movements right here also. Now let's start with a simple prompt. By the way guys, I'm going to utilize this video with a very free trial. So what's going to be the difference? Let's check the pricing right now. Now this is going to be the prices. We have the free trial for this video. We have 3 generations per day that is going to be refreshes every 24 hours. Standard is $30 per month and then plus is $100 per month. Now we're going to utilize this one. First, let's get with this one right here, a drone shot. So I have 8 samples here to work with. Let's start with drone shot. I'm going to paste it right here. So basically, what is drone shot? So drone shot is a fly through mountains between the oceans. And basically, as the name suggests, these are going to be used in cinematic versions. Now I'm going to have an option to enhance my prompt. That is really helpful. So I'm going to check on that one right there and click on OK. So welcome back to the video. Now this is going to be our drone shot right here. Take note guys, you can regenerate if you're not satisfied with your video right here. You can copy this link and send it to your friends, or basically, you can simply click on download right there. And that video right here would be uploaded to your computer. Let me just save this one as sample 1. Click it, and there we have it. That's going to be drone shot for you. Let's try the next example, because I have another one. We're going to focus on close-up. Now what is close-up? Basically, close-up are video used in another tool for a video editing. It's a really detailed shot. For example, on this version right here, we have a handwriting in a book with a pen. So I'm going to click on OK right here or enter. Now it will ask me if I would like to skip the queue and get faster narrations. I'm going to click on cancel because that will require some paid subscriptions. So the average waiting time for the free trial here will be around 2 to 3 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now guys, I just want to highlight how awesome this AI is. Take note, this video right here or this cut of a video right here, even though it's shortened or a very short video, it's a very detailed video right there. Again guys, this is the prompt. If you want it to go through, please copy it. Now again, this is the usage of close-up. It gives you a bit more close-up video, a bit more macro, a bit more near the subject video to give it a bit more interesting vibe, right? Now let's try another sample here. Now I have another sample for you guys. This will be FPV. So I have a prompt here to work with. Let me just pull it up right there again. So a thrilling FPV for a cockpit of a jet soaring through the sky. The jet cuts through the clouds at high speed with the horizon in sight and the sun gleaming brightly above. Paste it right here. Now before I paste that prompt right there, I want to highlight there's a new feature here. You'll notice there is a icon here wherein you can change the ideas. If you don't have any prompt at your buy right there, you can simply choose those prompts to work with. However, for this video, we're going to focus on specific prompts to work with. Again, this right here is a very important part where you include FPV. That being said, I'm going to click on OK right there, and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. This is going to be a result. Again guys, that's going to be an FPV. And basically, if you want to download it, just want to reiterate, simply click on that button right there. And right here, I just want to take note that some of the videos here depend on quality because we're using the free trial. Let's try another sample here. Right now, we're going to go the over-the-shoulder view. Let me just paste it right here, copy it, and then paste it on the prompt bar. Now we have right here is going to be the result for the over-the-shoulder view. Now take note what is the usage for the over-the-shoulder view. To utilize this one or to activate this kind of prompt, make sure you add this word right here or phrase. Basically what it does is, it's giving you an over-the-shoulder view as the name suggests. So let's try another example. For the next example, we're going to utilize camera follows. Now what is basically camera follow? If you're familiar with some movies wherein a guy is walking and then the camera follows him, this is what we're looking for. To activate this prompt, make sure you type in camera follows phrase. So I'm just copy this one, paste it right there, and basically click on enter. So welcome back to the video. This is what I mean about the camera follows. Wherever the soldier go, wherever the man or wherever the subject goes in the video, the camera follows him. Take note, to activate this kind of prompt or this kind of action, you need to add this option right here, camera follows. Alright? Let's try the next example. We have the macro. My favorite prompt, my favorite option among the rest. So I'm just going to copy this one, paste it right here, and I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. This is going to be our video right here. Now what did I mean before when I said macro? So macro is basically the same as close-up, but a bit more close-up. Remember earlier we have a close-up prompt right here. So what's the difference between close-up and macro? So macro is a bit more near. Macro is a bit more zoomed in rather than close-up. So this is going to be useful especially if you're emphasizing some small creatures or subjects. Right here, this is going to be a caterpillar. Usually these are very small, so if you use the macro, make sure you enable it on your prompt. And that's going to be it. Let's try some example. We have the last two. For this one, we're going to utilize this camera pan icon or camera pan motion. Now to activate camera pan, make sure you click or type in the camera pan option right here. So this is going to be the prompt right there. And basically, what is camera pan? So camera pan is the same or similar rather with follow or camera follow. So I'm just going to click on enter. I'm going to show the example before I discuss it. I'm going to get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Now this is going to be the camera pan option. Basically camera pan, as the name suggests, it's moving whatever you type in here. As you can see right there, the camera pans smoothly from left to right, capturing her radiant expression and the movement of her hair. To activate camera pan one more time, make sure you type in the camera pan phrase. This is really helpful if you want to keep your viewers and audience interested. That is again guys, camera pan for you. Now let's try the last example. Now this is going to be similar with camera pan, but for now we're going to use tilt up. So what is basically tilt up? So tilt up is the same as I've said earlier at camera pan, but for now, this is more focused on the environment rather than a subject. Take note about that one, and I'm going to click enter and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now this is going to be the tilt up camera shot, starting from the base of a tree as you can see there, revealing the trunks and the lush green canopy. Now again, this is similar with camera pan, but the difference is that tilt-up camera is more focused on the environment. To enable this one, of course, it's going to be self-explanatory. You need to add up this phrase, tilt-up camera shot. And basically those are the awesome features inside Hotshot. Again guys, this is a free trial, so the quality will be differ for paid-to-paid subscriptions. And then with that being said, I'm going to make a video for the paid subscription in the near future. So if you have any questions, so please type them below on the description. And I'll see you on the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.